Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to crochet a baby blanket and little different waffle stitch. I will work again with this great and so soft yarn, and I will use two colors for this project. So you will need 2 balls of the green one and 3 balls of the gray one. And the blanket has length 90 centimeters and width 70 centimeters. So let's crochet. Like always, we are going to start with the slipknot, and I have started with the gray color, and now chain 75. If you have done all 75 chains, now we are going to make double crochets. Start with 5th chain and make 1 double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet in each stitch across. Okay, we are at the end of the first row, and make 1 double crochet in very last chain. And now chain 3 and turn your work. From second row, we will crochet also front post double crochet. So we will start with front post double crochet over here. So inside your hook under double crochet from previous row and make double crochet. We need to make 1 more front post double crochet. So inside the hook under double crochet from previous row and make double crochet. This is front post double crochet. So we made 2 front post double crochet. Now make double crochet, and in the next stitch make 1 more double crochet. Now we need to make 2 front post double crochet. And now again we will work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet in next stitch. Continue working like this to the end of this row. So now make 2 front post double crochets and then make again 2 double crochets. So 1 double crochet here, and in next stitch make 1 double crochet. So you will repeat this pattern to the end of this row. You can pause the video and meet me back again at the end of this row. Okay, now we are at the end of the second row, and last stitch will be double crochet over here. And now chain 3 and turn. Now you can see what you will do next. We will just copy the stitches from previous row. So you can see here just chains. You can see here front post double crochet. But it's not front post double crochet from previous row. It was double crochet from previous row or in previous row. You can see here you will make 2 double crochets, but in previous row it was front post double crochets. So you can see these 2 stitches looks like front post double crochets, but it's double crochet from previous row. On this side you will make just 1 double front post double crochet on the start. You can see that. Now we will make front post double crochet, just 1 on this side always. Now you can see we need to make 2 double crochets, and now it looks like front post double crochet. So make 1 front post double crochet and second front post double crochet. In next 2 stitches make double crochet, 1 double crochet, and in next 2 stitches make 1 front post double crochet. So you will make the same pattern in next rows. So you will start always with chain 3, and then you will make 2 front post double crochet, 2 double crochets, and I'm going to show you on the other side it's opposite. You can see here it's opposite. So when you see from this side here 2 double crochets, on the other side there are 2 front post double crochets. So I'm going to make 16 rows with gray color, then 24 rows with the green color, and again 16 rows with the gray color. My blanket is done, and I will sew all tails inside the blanket, and then we will make border. I'm going to make border with the green color, so chain 1 with green color, and now we are going to make just single crochets and make 1 single crochet into the each window or into the each big hole. You can see that very well because there are really big holes. So make 1 single crochet into the each big hole to the end. Okay, continue working like this across. Now we will make 3 single crochets in this hole. It's a first corner, and we need to make a right shape of this corner. So make 3 single crochets into the same space. Now continue working 1 single crochet into the each hole all the way around, and you can see here on this side the holes very well, because you will make single crochet, 1 single crochet between double crochets from previous row. So continue working like this and meet me back again at the end of this row. Okay, now make last single crochet here, and then make a slip stitch with first chain over here, and that's all. We have done border of blanket, and we are at the end of this project. I think this simple border is enough for this project, because waffle stitch is not a simple stitch, and I like it like this. So you can cut the yarn and you will sew all tails inside the blanket. I will do it by needle, and that's all. If you will have any question, just write me here below the video. Okay, this is my blanket. Let me know below the video if you like this pattern or if you will have any questions. I think it's beautiful and soft baby blanket, and the pattern is quick and easy. Thank you very much if you have watched the video to the end, and please put a thumb up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Have a lovely day and see you next time. Bye bye.